You have only 15 minutes to cook up something. Here is a recipe that will comfort your soul and fill up your tummy as well. This is one of my favorite recipes, Dahi Wale Aloo. I hope you enjoy my recipe. This is Chef Nupur Varma from the Wooden Spoon, powered by Vaidehi and Vandevi Hing. For our Dahi Wale Aloo, I'm heating some oil in my pan. Once my oil is heated, I'm going to add in Jeera or cumin seeds, curry leaves or curry patta, 1 slit chilli, some minced garlic or even garlic paste works, ginger, either ginger paste or just finely chopped, some Vaidehi hing, potatoes, salt, turmeric or haldi powder and some water. We're going to allow the potatoes to cook until a little soft, say about half done or 3/4 done in the water. The potato is about half cooked, half to 3/4 cooked. Now it's time for our dahi to go in. When you add your dahi, keep stirring continuously, otherwise the dahi tends to curdle. So I'm adding my dahi and I'm going to keep stirring this till it comes to a boil. My Dahi Wale Aloo is ready. I'm serving this in a bowl. This is served garnished with freshly chopped coriander leaves.